This video is for those who go to a seminar, get highly motivated and come back. This video is for those who watch a movie, get motivated and decide to change their life. This video is for those who hear an inspiring story and decide to take action. What happens then? Do they take any action, or does the motivation stray long enough? Well, 90% of people stay motivated just for 2-3 days, 1 week or maximum a month, and then they get back to square one. Have you ever wondered why does this thing happen? जब आपको समझ में आ गया था कि आपको जो करना है वो आपके लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है, तो आपने किया क्यों नहीं? मोटिवेट होके 3-4 बार मॉर्निंग वॉक पे जाते हैं, फिर हम उसे छोड़ देते हैं. You start eating healthy, but you easily get tempted to eat junk and then you cheat. Hi, I'm Ghazal Luthra and I am a mindset makeover coach. I help people to live their dream life and make them super achievers in life. Motivation fails in most of the cases. Why? Here is the simple understanding that your mind has for motivation. It thinks that if you require motivation to do anything, then it is not important. I'll repeat. If you require motivation to do anything, then it is not important. Tell me, a normal person, does he require motivation to sleep, eat, talk and relax, or even go to a washroom? No, because our mind knows that this is important, so it does it on its own. So that means whatever change you want to bring in life, you need to tell your mind, not your conscious mind, but your subconscious mind that is ruling our life by 97%, that this is something very important for me. You need to convince it that from now onwards, I will bring certain changes in my life and that is for the betterment. And for that, you need to use this hack. So how many of you are interested? Great. So listen to me. You need to start giving evidences to your mind why that particular thing is important for you. For example, if you wish to earn more wealth, you have a brilliant idea, but you are not taking any action. You say, next weekend, next week, maybe next month, when I get free, I'll work upon it. So in this case, what you can do is, you can read case studies, articles, or even pictures, or watch movies over and over again, and keep giving these evidences to your mind that this is very important for me. At the same time, you need to visualize that doing it again with your own self. You see, if you feel that you're going to sit and get motivated and start working, that day is never going to come. You will keep giving excuses to your own self. So start with a baby step. Don't wait for motivation. Because dear friends, motivation comes from doing. When you see the result, then you get motivated. Not by just sitting and waiting for the right day and the right time to begin. All great people in this world know this, and they are doing extraordinary stuff by just using this hack. So try it, collect evidence and reaffirm in your mind and take charge of your life. I hope this hack will bring awareness in you, because mind theek to jeevan sateek. My immense gratitude to all, and I will keep adding value in your life. Please don't forget to subscribe and share if you like my video or if you find them valuable. Thank you so much. God bless you and have a safe and beautiful life ahead.